What is going on, guys? It's Scott with Neverhead back for another Metamaterials update, and we're going to do a full one today, not just frantic Facebook emergency broadcast, crazy after hours deal like last night. But we are up a little bit today, up almost 2%, and turns out the after hours buying frenzy did not translate so far into any real world profits for us, but we do have a ton more volume than we have in the previous couple of weeks, so that is always good news there. Right now we are sitting at 464, and looks like the high of the day was 502, so just sniffed that $5 mark and then shot right back down. Looks like we got up there right at the open, and then nope, no thank you to $5. Looks like we had a 3.72 million share dump right at the opening bell, right after the opening buy gambit here. So that'll do it every time. It's like a couple blocks of shares sold off for at $1 million in a clip there, and trading back below the 50 EMA lines, right where we're comfortable. But the RSI is looking better than it has been in a little bit today at 48.96, so almost up to 50. MACDs are looking solid right now, and let's hop over to Ortex because we do have some changes here. First thing that jumps out at me is the utilization is way down to 82.63. And we've been in the high 80s to low 90s for the last couple of weeks. So shorts might be closing out some positions because the short interest on this is down quite a bit as well. And estimated short interest is down to 17.96 million. I think it was last week or the week before we were up as high as 52 million. So way down from that. Everything else looking pretty static. However, shares on loan is also way down to 36.26 million, down a 10% drop from the 7-day average ago at 40.55 million. And we're going to hop on over to Fintel next. And the dark pool short volume is also way down on this. This was also up over 50% last week. Days to cover is about the same as it has been for the last couple of days, but short shares availability way down. Right here, looking like that was probably right at the opening bell when we had that gigantic dump. Shorts were borrowing a bunch of shares. Right now, looking pretty low as well at 250K. And that borrow fee rate continues to drop down to 2.64. And we might have had some institutions thinking that we were Facebook as well for a minute there, because we got a bunch of new institutional buys come in between yesterday and today. AMG National Trust Bank picked up 52,000. VC SLX Small Cap Index Fund picked up 28K. Commonwealth Equity Services picked up 67. Kingfisher Capital picked up 129,903. And then SMXAX Index Fund picked up another 16.3 thousand. And I want to see if we had any changes in volume for the options after yesterday, and it looks like we had tons of calls coming in. Looks like yesterday we had 2,300 coming in at the $5 strike price, 1,830 coming in at 6, and looks like 516 coming in at $9. And then here's the overall open interest. Tons at 5, tons at 6, and more than I would have thought at 10. Max Pain right now currently sitting at $5. And it looks like we have 14,500 right outside the money right now. So if we hit $6 in about 3 weeks, we are going to fucking rocket ship up with all those shares that are going to have to be bought. But the hedge funds might also decide that they want the free premium and fucking pound us back down to $4 or $4.99, like October 22nd. But we do have the November 1st augmented reality conference that both Metamaterials and the new version of Facebook that is Meta are both going to be presenting at. And, ladies and gentlemen, it is tinfoil hat time. I got a fun one for you today. All right. So, another long tinfoil hat theory by Routine Bill. This guy has quite a bit of time on his hands. Love to see it. All right, here we go. It's titled, Tell Me You're Partnering with Facebook Without Telling Me You're Partnering with Facebook. As we all know, we make augmented reality and virtual reality glasses. Papa GP has been banging the tables about them since pre-merger or right after the merger. He's also been using the term metaverse for a lot longer than Zuck has. The fact that Facebook has retired the Oculus brand, no tinfoil hat needed. There we go. Article from yesterday talking about Meta, a.k.a. Facebook, retiring the Oculus brand. Oh, let's see what we got here for TikTok video. Oh, boy. Okay, so there's a TikTok about Zuck in his best human voice talking about how Meta is going to be having a space in the workplace with your simple little augmented reality glasses. Oh, boy. This is starting to feel very dystopian. People doing work with their AR glasses on park benches, and I don't see how this is not going to be just used to watch porn constantly when you're sitting on a park bench or on the bus without anyone knowing what you're doing. Jesus Christ. Mark is in the middle of jerking off with his fucking AR glasses on. All right, enough of this creepy robot, man. All right, so that was a terrifying TikTok video that I would recommend everyone watch. Now back to the theories. All right, so we got a couple of tweets here from Papa G. Oh, this is actually very interesting, talking about the AR glasses that they are going to be making, or they're going to have a hand in making. We've got an incredible lineup at the next augmented reality event. Cannot wait to listen from Metamaterial Tech, CTO Jonathan Waldern, and other top speakers about the challenges and opportunities in augmented reality. And here we go. This is their glasses. The AR fusion technology combines cast lens fabrication tools with functional metamaterials and volume holograms to provide augmented reality wearable developers with a platform for seamlessly integrating smart technologies into lightweight prescription glasses. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, porn inside your glasses. It's coming. All right, this does kind of look like the butterfly, but I don't know. Looks a little more like infinity to me. I think that's what they were going for. Oh, Jesus. All right. It's getting pretty wild here. We got a couple of tweets here from a little while ago. Sign up for the November 1st Augmented Reality Conference. What I can say is that I applaud Mark Zuckerberg and Meta Platforms, Inc., the multi-billion-dollar commitment to make the metaverse a reality. Our company, Metamaterials, Inc., has pioneered many of the fundamental physical technologies such as nanomaterials and optics, AR displays, 5G connectivity, which Mark's team and many other large companies in this space can use our tech to enable this great vision. Good God, this might be something here. And this is his opinion. I could totally imagine GP and Zuck geeking out together, devising a master plan to torch the shorts when they are finished coming up with a plan to use laser beams to send nano spacecraft in what we call the Alpha Centauri connection. Maybe. Now, could this be what Papa George meant by Bravo 6? But it could also be the military team that will be determined in a week or two. Here's a tweet from August. So now we're reaching a little bit. Facebook is currently the sixth largest company in the world by market cap. And apparently, here's a tweet from Meta from a couple hours ago. The metaverse is the next evolution of the social connection. It's a collective project that will be created by the people all over the world and open to everyone. You'll be able to socialize, learn, collaborate, and play in ways that go beyond what is possible today. Oh, whose tagline is go beyond? Oh, fucking Metamaterials. That's who. That is interesting. And the final nail in the coffin for the Facebook and Meta and Metamaterials partnership is barbecue sauce. Right here, we've got the TikTok video of Zuck with a human barbecue sauce in the background. I don't know why a robot would need human barbecue sauce other than an obvious reference to a George Palikaris tweet from June 13th talking about hashtag barbecue season with his special Meta and Torchlight flame shorts, talking about torching the shorts. But the good news is we get to witness the transformation of Facebook into the evil corporation from Ready Player One, IOI, the innovative online industries. It's going to be fun to witness and see what our corporate overlords have in store for us in the future. But anyways, guys, that is just about going to do it for this one. So as always, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates on Metamaterials, as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.